This is where we left off in the previous video. First, we arranged the terms in the descending order of their exponents. Then we check if the degree of the divisor is less than or equal to the degree of the dividend. We proceed with the division only if this is true. We proceed since 1 is less than 4. Let's zoom out and perform the division. We divide 12x raised to 4 plus 6x squared plus 8x by 2x. We are comfortable dividing a number by a number using this technique, but dividing expressions is even more interesting. We divide each term of the polynomial with the monomial. Solving this example will give you a better idea. We divide 12x raised to 4 by 2x first. That gives us 6x cubed. 12 by 2 is 6. X raised to 4 by x is x cubed. This will be the first term of the quotient, which is written here. Let's write 6x cubed here. The product of 6x cubed and 2x will be written here under the first term. That is 12x raised to 4. 12x raised to 4 minus 12x raised to 4 gives us 0. In the case of expressions, we go term by term. Once we covered this term, we get the rest down. 6x squared plus 8x. Now let's tackle this term. We divide 6x squared by 2x, which gives us 3x. 3x becomes the second term of the quotient. Remember, since we are dividing a polynomial by a monomial, we will have more than one term in the quotient. Next, we write the product of 3x and 2x here. 6x squared. Subtracting 6x squared from 6x squared, we get a 0. Then we get 8x down. To get the third term of the quotient, we will divide 8x by 2x. X cancels out from the numerator and the denominator, and we are left with 4. Understand that we are dividing each term of the polynomial with the monomial. 4 becomes the third term of the quotient. Just as we did before, we write the product of 4 and 2x here. 8x. And 8x minus 8x is 0. We stop here. Why did we stop here? Is it because we got a 0? No, that's not the reason. We stop when the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Since the remainder has no variables, its degree is 0. The degree of the divisor, as we have seen earlier, is 1. 0 is less than 1. That's the reason we stopped. This becomes our quotient and this our remainder. It's very easy to go wrong here, so we should make it a point to check our answer. But how? It's easy. We use the general form. We check if the quotient multiplied by the divisor plus the remainder gives us the dividend. If this value gives us the dividend, then our answer is correct. The quotient is 6x cubed plus 3x plus 4. The divisor is 2x and the remainder is 0. We use the distributive property to solve this. 6x cubed multiplied by 2x is 12x raised to 4. 3x multiplied by 2x is 6x squared. And 4 multiplied by 2x is 8x. Is this expression equal to our dividend? Yes, which means that our answer is correct. This division looks difficult at first, so I would recommend you to watch this video a couple of times at least. And watching it again will probably make you realize how easy it actually is.